welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to do unboxing and review of Arduino. So let's do it unboxing. I bought it from Amazon.com. The link is given in the description. You can also buy it from there. So let's do it unboxing first and then I will tell you about it. So this is Arduino guys. It is its USB cable type A to type B. So basically guys, what is Arduino? You would have learned from many of your friends or from YouTube that Arduino projects, etc. Arduino is made up of PCB which contains a microcontroller named Atmega 328P, which is like the heart of Arduino. It also contains a reset button through which we can reset all programs. It contains 20 pins, out of which 14 are digital input or output pins and 6 analog pins. It contains a USB plug through which it can be connected to PC and we can upload a program to it. It also contains an external power supply through which we can supply a DC current of 3 to 5 volt. There are many types of Arduino boards in the market like Arduino Uno, Arduino Duo, Arduino Leonardo, Arduino Mega, etc. You would have also heard about Raspberry Pi. It is also just like an Arduino, but it is its updated version. It can be updated via many programming languages. Arduino can be programmed by C++ language by connecting it to the PC by the USB cable and programming it through the Arduino IDE app. That is all for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I would be uploading more videos on Arduino and making different projects with it in a few months. So thanks guys for watching the video.